Hello everyone, this is Jim Okersinski with your weekly screencast video. Sorry for being a little tardy on this week's video. It's a busy end of the semester. So I did push out the announcement with the week 15 schedule. And then I also added some, I kind of collected and accumulated, I should say is the word, the resources and videos here that'll help you with the first draft and then also the final draft in case you're wondering how to perform a few of the tasks there. Up for this week, along with the second peer review that is due on Tuesday the 6th, Discussion Board 15 is exercise 5.1 in the textbook. Chapter 5 is all about revising and making those last minute changes and improvements to a draft. Let me get to the activity here. This activity, exercise 5.1, is all about balance. So if I take a look at the textbook here, I ask you to perform steps 1 through 4. Start in the middle of a draft. Ballinger is asked to select a random page or two. If I were you, I would take the position of trying to use 3 or 4 pages in the middle of your draft, just for you to have some sort of a visual on the balance in your essay between your words and the words of others. There's a good explanation here in chapter 5. In fact, I want to mention, I'll probably come to it a little bit more in next week's video, is how to use chapter 5. Or really, chapter 5 has a lot of good content if you want to look through. I used to do the Frankenstein draft in an in-person class from time to time, but I think it's worthwhile for everybody to take a look at before you submit that final draft. I think it's really important. So as I mentioned here, it's complete steps 1 through 4 as described in the textbook. Use the highlight function in your document and review the results. Look for the prompts along to start out your initial post. Certainly you can upload a copy of your draft as to the discussion board post, so that way everybody can see exactly how balanced your particular essay is between the words of others and also your words. I think it's an important activity. It always seems to be very enlightening when students perform this one. All right, so just to get back to and close off the discussion board, that'll be this week's activity. I'll have one more screencast video, talk about the final draft preparation going into next week. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email. Good luck.